You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right here, Bitcoin is sitting at 41k level at this area and we have seen a massive pump to the upside. Almost all coins are doing right well and we see Ethereum pump to the upside at this area. So the question is, what are we looking out for on the Bitcoin price? Are we going to see some massive pump to the upside? And also, if you look at the BTC dominance chart here, I talk about this. I'm going to explain this and what you should expect to in the market in the next coming days. And also, if you take a look at the 3 days chart right at this point, we see a breakout on this. So all of this and more in today's video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification. Also check the channel for other informative and educational content. So let's dive right in. If I go right here on the 3 days time frame, if you look at it, I talk about this very pattern that happened, and anytime we see a breakout on the RSI, it's always a massive pump to the upside. So right now, we've seen a breakout on the RSI around this area. So we are expecting the market to ride back up, even up to the overbought territory around this area. So what I'm looking out for right here is that the market should break this level of 43 and 44k level to confirm that the bulls are already in the market and they are ready to push the market to the upside. I talk about a fail swing. In my previous video, I said if we see a pattern that looks from this area, markets go down and fail to create a new low, and then we see a massive pump to the upside, that is also a sign that the bulls are right way in the market. We see exact same thing right here, and this is the first time we are seeing this kind of pump in the market since market was going right down. So this is also an indication that the bulls are already at the corner, ready to move the market to the upside. So we want to see them break this level of 43 and 44k level on the Bitcoin price. In my immediate last video, I talk about something very important right there on the 4-hour chart. If you look at it on the immediate short time, I was looking at the market break this level of resistance on this trend line and also on this horizontal resist line at this area. We see the market break it and then it push right to the upside. This was a massive pump, guys, and this was also as a result of the fact that the Bitcoin dominance chart right there also have a massive pump to the upside. So if I go back to the 4-hour chart right there on the Bitcoin dominance, you will discover there is a massive pump on this very area, and that is what leads to the Bitcoin pump to the upside on this very level. If you look at the pump on Bitcoin right here and the pump on Ethereum at this area, you can't compare the two. This pump was that massive compared to what we see on Ethereum at this area. That also means that when you use Bitcoin dominance to correlate your chart and you know how to use it very well, it will help you position yourself very well in the market and will help you trade profitably as well. Right now on the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin, this is my first target, like I said earlier, and this is the second target. So at this area, expect retracement in the market or consolidation within this area before the market ride up again. Two things I am expecting on Bitcoin right now is a retracement in the market, just a slight retracement, because this momentum is very strong. So even though the markets go back right down, it should be a slight retracement. Market move from here, impulsive move, then slight retracement to the downside before we see the market move up again to this level or even break this level to the upside. So what I am looking out for is this, or we should see consolidation within this area, then we see a breakout before the market move back up again. So these two things is what I am looking out for on BTC USDT on the immediate short time. If you look at Ethereum chart is not moving as fast as we are seeing the Bitcoin price right here. The reason is because from the Bitcoin dominance, we see the market pump right here, just like I talked about in my previous video, that if we see a massive pump, then BTC is going to pump harder, and we see exact same thing here compared to Ethereum at this area. So we should also expect retracement on Ethereum from this area and from this very area. Reason being that this is a strong support at this point. We have support here, then we have resistance here. So support turn resistance, market could potentially go back down. Or if you look at this very area as well, this is a very strong level of supply. We have a supply zone here, so markets have capacity of coming back into this area, then go back right down, because at this point we see drastic move to the downside on the Ethereum price right here. So it will not be an exception if markets move from here to this area and come back right down on the ETH price. So this is what I am looking out for right now on BTC, USDT, and Ethereum USDT on the immediate short term. So right now we have seen a massive pump in the market. Do you still think market is going to go back right down, or do you think from here market is going to move far way up on the Ethereum price and also on the BTC price on the 1-day chart? So what is your thought? Comment below. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for other informative and educational content. Also, if you've not enrolled for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, please check the description right now and see a contact and reach out to us immediately and learn how to do simple technical analysis. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.